Are you a technical writer seeking simple yet effective solutions to create, manage, and distribute help documents? These comprehensive documentations are readily available 24/7, providing instant solutions to address your customers' most pressing questions. With a wide array of options to choose from, selecting the best help authoring tool can be overwhelming. To assist you in making an informed decision, we've meticulously curated a list of the top 3 helping authoring tools. So, without any further ado, let's delve into the details and explore the features and benefits of these remarkable tools. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel, it means a lot, thank you. Number 1 is Document 360. Document 360, an incredibly powerful cloud-based help authoring tool. It caters to the needs of technical writers and content creators, making the creation and management of high-quality user manuals, online documentation, and knowledge bases a breeze. Notably, Document 360 offers a robust knowledge management system that facilitates efficient organization and categorization of content, ensuring easy access and retrieval. What truly sets Document 360 apart is its remarkable multilingual support, empowering users to create help documentation in multiple languages. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses with a global customer base, as the tool leverages AI machine translation to provide accurate translations. With the Markdown editor, formatting your content becomes effortless, while the live preview feature allows you to view changes in real time. Another standout feature of Document 360 is its advanced content reuse system, enabling swift repurposing of existing content. Moreover, the versioning functionality allows you to track and review the history of changes made to your documents. To kickstart your projects, Document 360 offers a range of pre-designed templates that cater to various documentation needs. With its API integration and comprehensive health monitoring tool, Document 360 ensures seamless integration and smooth performance. Furthermore, it provides online support along with 24/7 live assistance during business hours. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, Document 360 offers flexible plans, both free and paid, to accommodate your specific requirements. Best features of Document 360: product help docs, technical documentation, online user guides, FAQs, AI-enabled search and meta description generator, internal knowledge base, standard operating procedures, API documentation support. Pricing for Document 360. Document 360 pricing starts from $0 and goes up until $599 for Enterprise Plan, which is a great and affordable startup package for growing businesses. Ready to experience the power of Document 360? Click on the link in the description below to start your free trial today. Number 2 is Dr. Explain. Dr. Explain is a help authoring software to create help files, documentation, and online manuals in CHM, PDF, doc, and HTML formats. Uniquely, Dr. Explain captures application screens or web pages and documents them automatically. Dr. Explain allows you to create a user guide or technical documentation in multiple formats based on one project. It takes only a couple of clicks to export the documentation. My first impression with Dr. Explain is that is a one badass looking robot. Dr. Explain is based on a unique interface analysis and screen capture system. Thanks to this system, Dr. Explain can automatically analyze an application's user interface, take screenshots of all controls and elements, and then add explanatory callouts to all images in the draft help system. After that, all one needs to do is add descriptions to the callouts and save the result in the HTML, CHM, doc, or PDF format. And my second impression is that it's great for those who are tired of subscription-based products that drain your card every month. In terms of editor and HTML templates, it doesn't stand up to the previous tool on the list. However, it still gets the job done. Best features of Dr. Explain: desktop software, help authoring, document editing, establishing indexes and structures. Best features: desktop software, help authoring, document editing, establishing indexes and structures. Pricing: the regular license for the Dr. Explain software costs $250 with online manuals, CHM and RTF files covered, and without any support. Number 3 is Madcap Flare. Madcap Flare, a powerful and user-friendly authoring system that excels in producing technical content, including user manuals, online help systems, and knowledge bases. With its robust HTML-based publishing capabilities, Technical writers can effortlessly generate various outputs tailored to different needs, such as web pages, ebooks, and help systems. What sets Madcap Flare apart is its topic-based authoring and single-source publishing approach. This allows writers to create reusable content efficiently, resulting in an easily navigable knowledge base for customers. Additionally, Flare supports publishing content in multiple formats and across multiple platforms, including desktop, mobile, and web. To expedite the content creation process, Madcap Flare offers dozens of pre-designed templates for creating web and print-based outputs within minutes. This feature saves valuable time and ensures a professional-looking end product. Best features of Madcap Flare: importing from legacy formats, technical authoring, collaboration, translation, content publishing, analyzing content performance. Madcap Flare provides online support during business hours and offers access to plugins for Salesforce, Zendesk, and ServiceNow, albeit at an additional cost. That wraps up our review of the top 3 product documentation tools. We appreciate you watching our video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive more informative videos like this in your feed.